Hello guys, I'm Soni. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have two software engineering opportunities. One from a Northern Trust for a quant engineer analyst and second one is a software engineer role. Now let's quickly look at the eligibility, salary, locations, skill and what you will actually work on. Let's start with the first opportunity and this one is from Northern Trust. They are hiring for the role of quant engineer analyst. Here are the important details first. The experience requirement is 0 to 4 years. Location is Bengaluru and this is a full-time in-office opportunity. Now let's understand what you will actually do. You will be working with global trading teams mainly on quantitative analytics and technology that supports trading decisions. One of the major responsibilities working on trading cost analysis, also called as TCA. In simple terms, TCA is about understanding how much it costs to execute trades and where their costs are coming from. You could be analyzing things like speed capture, slippage, markouts, and decay. The role covers both fixed income and equity products. You will also work with large scale execution and market data sets. That means you will need to aggregate, normalize, and process trading data so that it can be used for analytics and decision making. Another important part of the role is building real time visualization tools. These tools are meant to help traders understand what's happening and make better decisions ASAP. You will work on improving quantitative scorecards that are used to evaluate broker performance. So instead of just creating basic reports, you will actually be building analytics that can help the trading team understand execution quality. The role also involves researching areas like market microstructure, liquidity dynamics, and trading protocols. You may also develop tools supporting alpha generation, risk management, and trading optimization. Now let's talk about the technical skills. The main skills mentioned here are SQL, Python, React, APIs, data analytics, engineering, financial modeling, Azure Cloud, Snowflake, and object oriented programming. So, Python and SQL are particularly important here because you will be heavily working with data and quantitative analytics. For candidates interested in finance, knowledge of things like portfolio theory, investment, and risk analytics can be an advantage. A CFA qualification or progress towards CFA is also considered a plus. Now, coming to the eligibility, they are looking for candidates with a bachelor's degree in quantitative field such as engineering, mathematics, or finance. The experience requirement is 0 to 4 years, particularly in quantitative analytics or financial modeling. If you're a fresher with the right quantitative and technical foundation, the role can be very relevant for you. Overall, I would say Northern Trust is a strong opportunity if you want to move your career in engineering, financial data analytics, or trading technology. Now let's move on to the second opportunity, and this one is from Smart Bhujal, and they are hiring for the role of software engineer. Again, let's start with the quick details first. Experience required is 0 to 2 years. Location is Tirupati, and salary is around 3 to 6 LPA, and this is a full-time in-office role. And importantly, the listing says no priority experience is required, so this one is much more accessible for freshers compared to the Northern Trust role. Now let's understand the actual work. This is a full stack software engineer role with an AI focus. You will work on scalable web platforms and contribute to applications that use large language models or LLMs. One of the main responsibilities is developing and maintaining web platforms using modern full stack technologies. You will also design, build, and maintain efficient and reusable APIs. So, if you are interested in backend development, this role gives you direct exposure to that. Another major part is integrating LLMs into application. That means you won't be building a normal web application. You will also work on connecting AI capabilities with the software product. The role also involves creating intuitive and responsive user experiences. So there is a both front end and back end side of work. You will collaborate with cross-functional teams to define, design, and ship new features. You will also participate in code reviews, share technical knowledge, and troubleshoot application issues to maintain performance. Now let's look at the important skills. The listing says full stack development, APIs, large language models, and basic AI/ML concepts. So, if you have already experience building full stack projects and have experience with LLMs or APIs or AI application, that can be very useful for you. You don't necessarily need years of experience. The listing says no prior experience is required with 0 to 2 years of experience in full stack development. So, personal projects can be particularly useful here if you are a fresher. The assessment period is from 19th August to 2 September 2026. The interview is scheduled between 23rd of August and 25th of August. So, if you are interested in this opportunity, don't wait until the last moment to check the application and assessment details. The role has only one opening and the position is based in Tirupati. Now, let's quickly compare these two opportunities. If you are interested in quantitative field or finance field, then go for the first one, and if you are interested in full stack development, then go for the second one. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.